Hey everybody, Mark Yagi just with a quick video. Sorry about the audio, I'm in an airport and so there's a bunch of echo, but I wanted to put this video out because I'm getting ready to travel and some people are freaking out, and like I pray for these days, right? And if you're trading the old way, like most other people think about covered calls, you're not focusing on the juice. And the juice is what I'm after here. So I sold these 285 calls here a couple of last week, I guess it was Friday or something, and I got 579. Now I had to go out 2 weeks to get that kind of juice, but the stock was at like 251, and so I got $35 increase in the price, plus I picked up 579 in juice. Now I really only care about the 579 because the stock is going to fluctuate and I can't control that. But here we are today where the stock is up 26.50. The stock is 301.76, which puts it way above the 285. It puts it like, almost 20 points above the 285. I think it's awesome. Now, am I going to go buy this back with $13.40 of juice when I got $5.79 for it? No. That juice is going to be mine. All this stuff is going to come back. If I pay for it and the stock goes back down, well, then I get caught in a whipsaw. So what I'm trying to do is I got another week and 2 days on this. So I'm just going to ride this. My goal is to collect my 579, and by the end of next week, this extrinsic value will be almost zero, and that money will be all mine. Plus my base position, by the way, I picked up one more contract when it was down at like 242 because that's part of my plan. And so now, I've gained all that value back. I've got a slightly asymmetric trade going on, and I'm happy with this base position value. Now, we're sitting through a red market, guys. And when you sit through a red market, it's tough. This stock has been tough. But you know what? Red markets are part of the market. And they go down and they go up and they go sideways. And you can't control that. What you can control is collecting the juice. Now, in this particular trade, my goal is just to stay in this trade and keep collecting the juice until June when my 175s expire. But I'll probably roll those to the Decembers in May or something like that. So my goal is just to use this as a juice collecting mechanism. And if you're thinking about covered calls like, oh my God, it's above the strike price and you're losing money, well, that's not the way I think about it. I love when the stock goes above my strike price. Why? Well, it's like $20 above my strike price, meaning it could go down $20, and I don't lose any money from this point, okay? So the more it goes in the money, the more I get juice and the more I get cushion. And so that's what I'm trying to get here, is I'm trying to, put myself in a position where it goes higher than the strike price. I love that. It's not a loss, right? It's not. How can you say it's a loss when you look at my account today? MicroStrategy is up $12,495. Yes, some of that was before the market opened and, when it was under the strike price, and now it's over the strike price, blah, blah, blah. But my account's going up. So it's hard to say that it's a loss when even if it goes up another $100, you do the math, right? Add $100 that it cost me to buy it back, okay? But subtract the $100 that I gain on the value of the base position going up. Those two offset. That leaves me with the juice, which in this case is $579 a contract. It's not much, but I'll take it, because if I get $579 times 9, that's $5 grand a week, 20 grand a month, 240 grand a year, like you do the math. Anyway, that's the quick video on what I'm doing. These calls expire next week. Anything can happen. It could go back down, and I'll be making another video. But if it keeps going back up, I'm thrilled. See you on the next video. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.